Let's see how we can avoid duplicate entries in Excel by using simple conditional formatting. So in this table, I have the invoice number in column A. So let me copy any of the invoice number here and paste it in the next row. And you can see the duplicates. We have duplicates now, but it is not highlighted. Let me press Ctrl Z. So now I use the simple conditional formatting. For that, I select the complete column A and then I go to Home tab. Here you have conditional formatting, and then the first option is highlight cell rules. Under that, we have duplicate values. So you have the duplicate value dialog box open. So I keep it duplicate here and then highlight red fill with the dark red text. So let me keep it as it is. Click OK, and now the conditional formatting is applied in the column A. So the moment I copy and paste the same invoice number, so you can see both the rows where we have duplicate has been highlighted. Thank you.